Hello everyone, this is Kriti, a certified holistic nutritionist, and my aim is always to bring healthy, clean label, plant-based food products to all of you. So I have received this multi-grain millet porridge from Cena Nutrition, and what I loved about this product is that it has lots of nuts, it has millets like bajra, jowar and ragi, and lots of dry fruits. So it's a one solution for my breakfast. Like I can make dosa and porridge, I can make chapati, and I can also try making soups. So today I just thought to share a soup recipe which is very interesting and very filling. Switch on the induction and let it heat, and then we are going to put few drops of oil and spread it nicely. Once heated, we are going to put the onions and it will start caramelizing. This would give a nice aroma to our salad as well as the crunch. Now here is the trick to caramelize it faster. Put a pinch of salt and little bit of powdered jaggery. And the onions would start caramelizing in a much faster way. Now the onions have caramelized so beautifully, so it's time to switch off the induction, and then we are going to take it in our pan and we are going to use it later on for garnishing. Now heat the pan again and put few drops of oil and spread the oil nicely. I love my ginger during the soups, so add in some ginger into it and just saute it for a few seconds. And then I'm going to add a lot of veggies to it. So this is red capsicum. Put that along with boiled corn, and you can see how beautiful the colors are. Saute it for some time. While the vegetables are getting ready, we are going to make the mixture of Cena Millet Meal. In a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of Cena Millet Meal and add water. Take 1 cup of water and mix it nicely. Switch on the induction again, and now the vegetables are nicely sauteed and we are going to add our mixture. Continue to stir because it can form lumps. So millets are rich in fiber and so they aid in weight loss. A bowl of soup like this is very filling, and you actually don't need anything else when you consume this one bowl of soup. So this way you are enjoying a fulfilling meal and you don't have to eat anything extra. So once the first boil comes, add little bit of more water, about half a cup, and then continue stirring it again. It just took me 2 minutes when the first boil came, and now I am going to add another half cup of water into this. Just make sure that no lumps are formed, so continue to stir gently. Now the soup has started boiling and the aroma is just awesome. It's time to add a pinch of salt followed by little bit of fresh pepper. And if you like lemon, squeeze in few drops. The hot soup is ready to pour and enjoy. So pour in your bowl, and you can adjust the consistency of water as per your choice, but I love it like this. And the final thing, garnish your soup with nice caramelized onion which we made. Enjoy the soup with a piece of bread, or you can just have it as it is. So finally, here is a health tip from a certified holistic nutritionist. Bring millets to your daily meal. Why? Because they are rich in fiber and they are known to help in weight loss as well as prevent the risk of diabetes. So let's bring these ancient and old grains to our plates